So stick around to the end of this video because I'm about to show you exactly how I made over $2,000 from USA military action using only AI. I never thought making videos about USA military could pay that much. I know that USA niches pay a lot, but this is insane. As we check my YouTube dashboard, you can see this video alone brought me over 800 pounds. This is like $1,000. Why I'm expecting this current month $2,269 this current month from just one single channel, and all this as a complete beginner. Don't fool yourself, I'm a complete beginner. So let me show you exactly how it happened and how you also can do the same. But before that, let me tell you that I'm not an expert or a kind of expert. I'm just a simple random French guy who have several YouTube channel monetized. You can check this actual channel you are on right now. You will see a lot of videos where I share most of my YouTube channel, faceless YouTube shorts, also long form faceless channels, a lot. So the real question here is, how can I start making money with this niche? And that's exactly what I'm going to break down step by step, not as an expert but as a complete beginner who already tried and who is going to teach you exactly how he made it, right? So the first thing we are going to do is to open Google, and on Google search for ChatGPT, and now here on GPT we are going to paste this prompt. GPT create a prompt for me to generate an image in Piclumen. Don't forget, all the prompts I'll be using will be in the description, right? So Piclumen is one of the tools that we are going to use to create our image of an FBI soldier during an operation in Times Square, right? So let's send it to ChatGPT now and to create our prompt for us, okay? So as you can see, it created a prompt in Portuguese and English as well. By the way, I highly recommend you guys to try to make videos for other audiences, like other country that does not necessarily speak English, which is like example Portuguese, Spanish, French. If you don't know, I'm a French guy, you don't understand. Most of my channel, for example, are split into two different audiences. The same video I make in French is the same video I make in English as well as in Spanish. If you don't know, I speak also Spanish. But don't worry, you don't need to speak those languages before making video about it. Using AI, everything is simple, right? And to help you reach a wider audience. So we are going to copy the English version so our video comes out with more accuracy. Yeah. So let's open Piclumen to generate this image that's going to set the whole moon for our long video. So as you open Piclumen, you go straight into create, and the create section paste the prompt ChatGPT gave you. And for the aspect ratio, let's select 69, and for images per buff, choose 2, which is maximum on the free plan. But you can only generate 2 at a time, right? But you can also make over 40 images per day, bro. This is solid. And now it's finished generating our image. As you can see, I actually like both of them. This one has a few black bars, but that's fine. I'm going to use the second one because it turned out really cool. So let's click download and save our image. And by the way, if you're not happy or right with the images you got, you can also click generate again, and Piclumen will create 2 more images for you for free. Okay, so perfect. And now we've got our image and we are going back to ChatGPT and we are going to upload that image to it. So we are going to paste this prompt right here. This one, I'll leave this one also in the description, right? So click the link in the description. Maybe it might take you to a Google Drive where you just copy and paste the prompt, or I'll just paste all the prompt in the description, but I don't know for now. So when you've uploaded your image, which is super important, you send the prompt to ChatGPT right here, and as you can see, it will start generating each scene of our video. But you might say, Joshua, I want to make long videos. Then just change it from 10 scenes to 20, 30, or 40. How many you want, all right? The more scenes you have, the more longer your video will be. So since I'm making a slightly shorter video here, 10 scenes is perfect. And look, it's already generating all our scenes. Beautiful. Now we are going to move to the final step, which is actually creating our videos. For that, we are going to copy our first scene and open Grok. Guys, Grok is the tool that's going to do all the work, all the magic for us. You can see right now. So here on Google, we can search for Grok. It's right here for the first link, and just click on it and Grok will automatically open. Perfect. I'm just logged into my account. You just sign up following the step they ask you for, and you are good to go. Now click on imagine, and this is where the magic happens, guys. click on this little clip icon and upload your first image, the one we created in Piclumen, alright, and it will already start generating your video. But you don't need to wait, okay? You can come straight here and make a video, paste the first scene of our script. So let's paste our first scene and hit the start button. It's now loading the first scene of our long video. Guys, this is going to look insane, I'm telling you. So let's wait a few seconds. It's super fast anyway. Alright guys, so he has finished our first video, so let's check it out and see if it really comes out as good as we expected.
Times Square virou campo de batalha e o FBI foi acionado imediatamente.
Alright, so now here's the trick, guys. This is the part that lets you turn this into a much longer video. And listen, pause your video and drag the little bar all the way to the end to the final frame, then right click and choose copy video frame. That copies the exact image used at the end of your video. Do you understand? Now we'll go back to image, paste that final frame, okay, and enter your second prompt. This is what allows your video to become way longer, okay? You can literally make a 1 hour video using this strategy. So just copy the final frame and use the next prompt. So it's already at 60%, as you can see our second video, and now we just have to wait a little bit and our second video will be done. And there we go, the second video is finished. So let's have a look to see how it turned out. Guys, this came out really good. Now we just repeat the same process, okay? Drag the bar all the way to the end and right click to copy the video frame, go back to image, paste the second prompt, or rather the third scene, then copy the next prompt and paste it in. And we are going to do this for all the 10 images so we can turn each one into a video. And after that, we will put everything together and you have a long form dark cinematic video completely finished, right? So time to grind a bit, make all the 10 videos. So I'll see you after. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are finishing up our final video, and while we wait, bro, subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I'm giving you a lot of value, 100% free. I share some value on this channel that I've not seen on the internet, so make sure you check my other videos, subscribe and activate the notification bell. And also, if you want, you can hit me up on Gmail. I'll respond to you and I'll talk to you, and everything you need I'll help you with. All right, now here's exactly what we're gonna do. In favorite, click on it and download all 10 of our takes, like all the videos. All right, so let's do this. Let me just mute for a second, go into the first video, click download, and it will save it without a watermark and with all the best quality grog offers. Save the second one, third one, then the fourth one, fifth one, and so on. I'll catch you up after doing this. Alright guys, so perfect. I've downloaded all our 10 videos. Now the only thing left is editing. Before jumping into CapCut, here's a tip for you, right? Go back to Google and search for Pixabay. On Pixabay, you can download music, alright? Sound effect, anything you need. It's perfect for grabbing a soundtrack for your video. So for example, I'll search for suspense and you find tons of options you want to use. So just choose the one you prefer the most and that is it. This really sets the mood for your video. Now in CapCut, there's nothing difficult here, right? All the videos we've downloaded is with audio and everything in it. So all you have to do in CapCut is to just place every video in order, like put every video in order. And I've already shown you how to have a background music. Just choose the best background music and put it in. You need to be creative here. If not, I cannot show exactly what I'll do, so you copy it, you'll be like copyright. Do you understand? Just this is nothing. You just put all the video together and background music and you've done. If you want, you can add transition, add effect, add sound, anything you want. Just be creative here, but this is very simple. If you don't want to do anything, put the video together, a background music, and you've already done, right? Like the video also, engage with it, because I think it encouraged me to make more video for you. All right, we are here to go, and 3 2 1. Don't forget to watch another of my video.